Owning a Rolex might feel out of reach for some, but a simple, friendly conversation has the power to change that completely. Here's your ultimate guide on how to buy a stunning brand new Rolex from an authorized dealer. We're going to cover every step of the journey, ensuring you're equipped with all the knowledge you need before making this incredible investment. By the end of this video, you'll be well prepared to embark on this exciting watch buying adventure, armed with insights that'll help you confidently choose the perfect Rolex for you. So, stick around because owning a genuine Rolex is closer than you think. Getting a Rolex from an official seller is truly a cool experience. You got the real deal guarantee, warranty coverage, and a big bunch of models to choose from, which was super awesome. The expert advice they will give you will help a lot in deciding, and their service after is top-notch. So yeah, going through an authorized seller is totally the way to go for a real Rolex and all the support you need. Imagine you've got your sights set on a shiny Rolex watch. You're so motivated to get it, right? Well, this video is here to share a process that really works. So this might just be your signal to take that step and go for it. But before we dive into the steps for buying a Rolex at its regular price, let's quickly talk about the notion of luxury concerning its availability on retail channels. Step 1 is all about research. Kick things off by checking out authorized dealers on the official Rolex website. Look for dealers who are well known and trusted in your area. It's like gathering knowledge before diving in. Knowing what kind of watch you want to get will be super helpful. Now, it's time for a store visit. Once you find a good authorized dealer, plan a trip to their store when they're open. You might want to give them a call ahead of time to set up a visit. That way, you make sure someone's there to help you out. And this leads us to step 3, exploring the Rolex collection. When you're at the authorized dealer, check out all the different Rolex models they have on display. Take your sweet time to understand the styles, features, and prices. Here's a neat tip. Have a chat with a salesperson. Share what you're looking for, your budget, and the models that caught your eye. They'll give you the lowdown on your options and tell you cool stuff about the watches. The authorized dealers have got a bunch of Rolex models, even the latest ones. They've got different sizes, styles, and materials. So, whether you're into a fancy look or something more casual, you'll find a Rolex that matches your taste and how you roll. After all these steps, you're getting closer to grabbing that dream Rolex. But wait, there's more. Now, get to know about warranties and services. The warranty is like a promise from Rolex. So, understand the ins and outs of it. Don't skip this part, it's super important. And if you have any questions about the warranty, like how long it lasts and what it covers, ask away. The authorized dealers will give you all the details and let you know how to get help if your watch ever needs a fix. And don't forget about what happens after you buy the watch. The authorized dealers have your back even then. They're like the support squad for your watch. Ask them about how they handle things like repairs and maintenance. Find out if they've got experts in-house or if they're connected to Rolex's own service centers. They're all about keeping your watch in tip-top shape. And remember, they're there to help you out during the warranty period, whether it's fixing stuff or just giving your watch some love. Authorized dealers also have a direct line to Rolex's service centers. This means that pros who know all about Rolex watches will take care of yours if it needs fixing. Now, you might be wondering, how is buying from an authorized dealer different from getting a watch at a fancy Rolex boutique? Well, let's talk pricing. Rolex watches have prices that are set by the brand. Watch out for dealers offering much lower prices. It could mean they're selling fake or sketchy watches. Authorized dealers sell Rolex watches for the official retail price, so be ready to spend what's expected. Here's a tip. Go with your gut feeling. Pick a dealer that makes you feel good, like they know their stuff and can be trusted. A good authorized dealer cares about making customers happy and gives you a smooth buying experience. Now, let's talk about strategy. Some folks have a different approach. Buying a Rolex at the regular price is about building a connection with your local authorized dealer. Just popping in once and saying you want a watch probably won't cut it because these watches are super popular. But hey, you don't need a mile-long history of buying stuff to get your hands on a Rolex either. You've got a bunch of ways to build a relationship with your local Rolex dealer. One of the simplest ways is to drop by the store sometimes and have a friendly chat. Some folks worry about bothering the staff, but a lot of boutique employees are actually really into watches. They're happy to talk about them and show you the latest stuff. So, don't be shy. Strike up a convo and get to know them. Building a relationship, whether it's with your Rolex dealer or anyone else, usually starts with just talking and hanging out. And guess what? You can build a buying history without splurging on watches that don't really catch your interest. If your local Rolex store is also a jewelry shop, you're in luck. Next time you need a little jewelry fix, like getting a ring resized or earrings fixed up, think about going there. These smaller tasks help you start a history of buying stuff. Plus, you get to know the people working there. It's a win-win. When it comes to Rolex watches, there's something important to understand. Both Rolex itself and the stores that sell their watches want these timepieces to find homes with people who truly value and appreciate them. So, if you're thinking about buying a Rolex watch because you're genuinely passionate about it and not just looking to buy it and then sell it for a profit later, you're on the right path. Your enthusiasm for watches and your desire to own a Rolex because you genuinely love it can really make a difference. When the people at your local Rolex dealer see how excited you are about watches and that you want to wear a Rolex for your own happiness, your chances of getting the specific watch you have in mind increase. However, there's another important aspect to consider. You need to establish a connection with your local Rolex store. Without building this connection, you might find yourself in a situation where you're just one of the many people asking for the same popular Rolex watch that everyone else is trying to get their hands on. In summary, purchasing a Rolex watch from an authorized Rolex dealer offers several key benefits. You can be sure that the watch you're getting is authentic and genuine. You'll also have the reassurance of warranty coverage, which means that if anything goes wrong with your watch within a specified time frame, it will be taken care of. Additionally, buying from an authorized dealer guarantees that you're getting a high-quality product. These dealers have a wide selection of Rolex watches, and their staff members are experts who can provide you with valuable knowledge and information about the watches. Have you tried visiting a Rolex AD? How's your experience? Share them in the comment section below. Also, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to Luxury Focus channel to stay ahead of all the latest trends in the world of timepieces. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos.